Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can record and save the sound coming from your PC. So are you ready? Let's get started. So in order to record sound that are coming from your PC, you have a lot of options. So in this video I will show you the best and easiest one. Okay, so normally if you want to record sound from your PC, you go here to your audio setting or audio icon. Actually, you right click and you go to your recording devices, and you have actually to activate or enable this option here called stereo mix. But a lot of people are getting a lot of problem setting this option here. So in order to avoid that, there is an easiest way that I will show you here. So actually all you have to do is to install a program called Audacity. It's a very famous program that you can download from the internet, you know. So it's open and free digital audio editor. Okay, so it's available on Windows, Mac and Linux, so you don't have any problem if you have it in under other platforms. So it's really easy to install. So me, I have already installed it. So here we go. You can just launch it. And when you launch it, actually, all you have to do is to choose here Windows Audio Session API as audio host. So you have to choose this option here. You have actually here three options. So you have to choose the third one. Okay, and here you have to choose your loopback recording device, so you can use your headphones or your speakers. So if you have set that, now you can record any sound in your PC. So in order to demonstrate that, I will actually launch YouTube and try to record actually a music that is running on it. So let's launch YouTube. Here we go. So here I'm playing audio library, which is open and no copyright, as you can see here. So I can play it. Okay, so now it's playing. So let's return back to Audacity and try to record that music. Okay, so here we go. All you have to do is to click on this button here, record. And here we go, you can see the recording live. So I will stop that. Okay, I will stop YouTube. So now I have recorded actually a portion of this music. I can play it in order to see it. Here we go, you can see that actually I have recorded my soundtrack. Okay, so now all you have to do is to actually save this recording. So it's pretty easy in Audacity, file, export, and you have a bunch of options to choose from. So you have MP3, WAV, OGG and other options. I will just choose MP3. So I will choose a WAV instead. Here we go, I can save it. Okay. So here you can see in my desktop I have the wave output, so I can play it whatever play I want. Okay. So here is the output, which is wave file, so I can play it using any editor I want, for example VLC, and it's working. So actually this is the best and easiest way to record sound coming from your PC. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.